Here I have a 10-disc cam lock made by Fort. It's double-sided. Here's the key for it. Fort Maxi. It's a super hefty, really thick key. There's the wording on it. There's the bitting. Key works. Key only goes in one way because the cuts are different on both sides. Oh, I'm gonna single wafer pick it, I guess. You see a lot of people just raking these open, and it's normally tougher to single pin pick them, so that's what I'm gonna do. Just light tension, one disc at a time, and you'll feel them and hear them when they set. One more. When I hit this fifth wafer on the first side, you'll see it. It'll go into a little bit of a false. It turns just a little bit. That way you know you've got one side set. Now I'll go up to this top side. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is. Single pin picked. Lock her back up. I'll go ahead and pop it open for you real quick since I've got some time left. This one's got a nut on the back of it, as you can see. Just take the nut off the tailpiece, the restrictor cam. Cylinder pops right out the front. These discs are right up next to each other. So you can see 5 sticking up one way and 5 sticking up the other. They're right next to each other, which makes it a little tougher to pick. But there it is with the key in it. And then take the key out, you can see the wafers. Well, there it is, a Fort Maxi double-sided wafer cam lock. Thanks for watching.